Published in the April 3 issue of Nature solves a long-standing mystery about elephant speeds by clocking the animals at 15 miles per hour. That's faster than reliable observations of 10 miles per hour top speeds, but slower than speculations of 25 miles per hour, which is about 40 kilometers. Although the Stegosaurus body was large, the size of their brain was only around the size of a dog's. Researchers believe that due to the nature of Stegosaurus legs, they had a maximum speed of around 7 kilometers per hour, 5 miles per hour. African elephants are the largest of all land animals. Adult males weighing between 1,800 and 6,300 kilograms. 2 and 7 tons/4,000 and 14,000 pounds. Females are smaller, weighing between 2,700 and 3,600 kilograms. 3 and 4 tons/6,000 and 8,000 pounds. The Stegosaurus weighed at about 2,000 to 2,500 kilograms. What is the African elephant? African elephants are the largest land animals on Earth. They are slightly larger than their Asian cousins and can be identified by their larger ears that look somewhat like the continent of Africa. They have a height of 3.2 meters. Stegosaurus usually grew to a length of about 6.5 meters, 21 feet, but some reached 9 meters, 30 feet. The skull and brain were very small for such a large animal. The forelimbs were much shorter than the hind limbs, which give the back a characteristically arched appearance. Their height was about 2.75 meters. An elephant trunk or elephant's trunk is the proboscis/nose of an elephant. An elephant's trunk contains more than 40,000 muscles and can be about 6 to 8 feet long. An upward-pointed elephant trunk dispenses energy, luck, prosperity and kindness. It is a movement elephants use to greet friends and express sheer delight. In compassion and to shower good fortune, play the upward trunk elephant around you. Elephants emit luck, energy, kindness, strength and wisdom. The elephant's trunk is an extension of the upper lip and nose. It functions for grasping, breathing, feeding, dusting, smelling, drinking, lifting, sound production/communication, defense/protection, and sensing. Ivory tusks are actually massive teeth that protrude well beyond the mouths of elephants. Like our own teeth, and those of many mammals, these tusks are deeply rooted. Much of the tusk is made up of dentine, a hard, dense, bony tissue. Tusks are used by humans to produce ivory, which is used in artifacts and jewelry, and formerly in other items such as piano keys. Consequently, many tusk-bearing species have been hunted commercially and several are endangered. Among paleontologists, the four-spiked tail of Stegosaurus is called a thagomizer. It is one of a few terms inspired by one of Gary Larson's beloved Far Side cartoons. A caveman points to a slide of a Stegosaurus tail and names the nasty-looking structure in honor of the late Theg. Simmons. Humans and Stegosaurus. Today, it is generally agreed that their spiked tails were most likely used for defense against predators, while their plates may have been used primarily for display and secondarily for thermal regulatory functions. Stegosaurus had a relatively low brain-to-body mass ratio. The elephant wins. Comment what would happen if they would really match. Guys, I try to entertain you for free. So please help me. Like my video to appreciate my hard work. Comment what you think about it. You can comment video suggestions as well. Share this with your friends to let them know about these animals. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and smash the bell icon to receive notifications whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. Bye bye, see you in my next video. Keep waiting. And keep loving animals and keep supporting World of Animals. Bye. And yes, go watch my other videos. Subscribe my sister's channel, link in the end screen.